Hi, DutchEOS is becoming DutchTelos, reflecting our change of focus. Let's take a look at how we got here and what to expect in the future. DutchEOS was founded in early 2018, just in time for the EOS mainnet launch planned for June later that year. We were involved in the EOS launch and remained a candidate there for some time. After launch, it started to become clear that the postponement of some of the envisioned governance mechanisms were having a detrimental effect on the health and striking power of the chain. We soon found ourselves among a group of like-minded individuals to lay the groundwork for the Telos blockchain network. Being able to evaluate the effects of some of those early EOS choices allowed our founding team to better prepare a launch. Over time, it became clear that EOS lacked the fundamental governance functions envisioned. It was here that Telos shone right away. Learning from those early mistakes of EOS, we took the time to prepare for better governance and adapted the EOS.io platform, which recently rebranded to Antelope to be able to evolve the chain quicker, even after launch. It was and is clear that Telos vastly outpaced EOS, due in no small part to this more deliberate launch path. Fast forward 4 years and it's truly remarkable what Telos has achieved. As a block producer, we have said goodbye to EOS now, but our branding was lagging behind. Now it's time to elevate our brand, to showcase our pride in being part of the Telos blockchain for all these years. From now on, we will be flying under the DutchTelos banner. Our core values remain unchanged, reliable, ethical and involved, and we will continue to add value to the network and community. Please vote for us as one of your preferred network validators. Join us on this journey on any of our DutchTelos channels. Follow us on Twitter for the latest news, subscribe to our YouTube channel for tutorials and more in-depth news, and come have a chat on Telegram or Discord. Thanks for watching.